Question 10 is coming from statistics, particularly from stem and leaf diagrams. The table shows an ordered stem and leaf diagram. A, B, and C are missing numbers. So these are the ones in here. And they're saying for the 10 numbers, by the way, for a stem and leaf diagram, these numbers here must be aligning vertically, okay? So when they tell you to do, you should know that. And these numbers must be ascending to the right, okay? And then the numbers in the stem are increasing downwards. And then a stem and leaf diagram must have a key that talks about what you're dealing with. So 1 maybe here, then stroke a 3, then this one means 13, okay? And we don't write decimals in the stem and leaf diagram, but the key tells us. That's why it is very important to have a key. So for the 10 numbers, the range is 27. Now we know that range is equal to the biggest value minus the smallest value. So the range is given as 27. Now the biggest value is 20 something. We need to find that C, okay? So I will say maybe that is X, then minus the smallest value is 0, 2. So take this one here. That simply implies that X shall be equal to 27 plus 2. That will be the X. So which gives us 29. Okay? So that simply implies that C is a 9. Not 29, it is just a figure like these ones here. So C is 9. Then we continue. Median is 16. These are how many numbers? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That means median is going to be between the 5th and the 6th value, because I'm going to cancel 1, 2. This with this, then this with this one here, then this with this one here, this with this one here, okay? And then we are remaining with these two numbers. So this is, there is a 17, and then we don't know the value of B here. So that means we are going to have median is equal to the 5th value plus the 6th value. Because remember they are 10. So this way you have 5 and this way you have 5. So the 5th one here and the 6th one you have here, because median is in the middle, so you get these two, you add them, then you divide by 2. You get their average, okay? So then here we shall divide by 2. Now what is our median? Median is 16. So the 5th value, let's say it is Y, because that is the one that contains B. And then plus the 6th value is 17. You don't write 7, okay? 17. Then divide by 2. Now we can cross multiply. This one becomes 32. Then Y plus 17. So how do we get Y? It is going to be 32, then minus 17. And then this one gives us 15. Yes, this one gives us 15. Okay, so this simply implies that B is going to be equal to 5. Because it is that last number. Already the 1 is here, so B becomes the 5. So I will put here the 5. And then lastly, we are having the mean. For mean, we have to add all the numbers and we divide by how many they are. So mean is going to be equal to these values that we have. We have a 2. Remember, we are remaining with A. So 0, 2, then plus 0 something. So I can say, I can take that A as it is, okay? Because there is no any other digit that I'm adding on it. And then plus The next ones we have 11, then 13, 11, then 13. Then there is a B coming. So B, remember we got it as a 5, so this will be 15. And then plus 17, then plus then 20, 24, 26, 20, 24, 26. And then the last one here is C, which we got as a 9, so that is 29. And then we divide everything here by the numbers we have. There are 10 of them. And then this mean is 16.5. Then when we cross multiply, we shall get this one multiplied by 10. It gives us 165. Then this one is equal to, this is A, but plus what? When we add everything here, we have 2 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 20 plus 24 plus 26 plus 29. That is 157. So meaning A is going to be equal to 165 minus 157. So here we just need to add on 3 to get to the 60, then plus the 5, then that gives us 8. So C is going to be equal to 8. Pardon me here. A is the one that is 8, okay? Pardon me here. So my C is the one which is 9. So I'll have 8, then a 9 here. Sorry for that. Part B, complete this statement. There is no mode because mode is the most appearing number, okay? Now, we can have this one as a 5. This one is 9. No. A, we got it as 8. So if I can put 8 here, and then C is 9 here. There is no number which is repeating here, okay? So all numbers are distinct. They're different from each other. So I can say, because all numbers are different, all numbers are different, or no number appears most times, okay? Something like that.